Hi guys, Oleg Tkach here with your weekly rate update, and this week unfortunately I have bad news to share about rates. All of this started last Friday when the jobs report came out, and it came out way stronger than anybody anticipated to come out at, that the Fed was projecting, that all the investors were projecting. I mean, it really blew everybody out of the water as far as how strong it was, and it ultimately shifted the direction of rates and caused Federal Chairman Mr. Powell to comment on it, which he pretty much said that this jobs report just is another indication that it is way too early to say that inflation's behind us, that the Fed might have a lot more work to do, that we might see inflation go up again, that the jobs market is way too strong to say that inflation's behind us. Therefore, rates went up almost every day this week, slowly. But I mean, the fact of the matter is when you take 5 days of rates going up, what you see is us going from the 5.75 range quickly to the 6.25 range. And it seems like it's going to continue until the CPI report comes out next week, which could either add to this, where we're going to see them continue to go up, or reverse course and kind of back up recent data before the jobs report that suggested that inflation was under control. As of right now, this was a bad week for rates. We went from being in the 5-month low last week to being back into the 6.25 to 6.5 range. And if the CPI report again comes out next week bad, meaning showing inflation is still a problem, we could see rates go into the 7s. As far as how fast and when, no one knows, but if that's going to happen and we're going to see more reports that are not inflation friendly, we're just going to see what we saw last year, which was just rates continuing to increase. So there you have it. Unfortunately, bringing you some bad news this week after multiple weeks of great news. We all loved kind of the ride that we were on with rates just continuing to get better. We got shooken up this week. We'll see what happens next week. No one knows, too early to tell, but just wanted to update you. Until next week, let us know if there's anything at all that we could do for you. 425-478-7676 is our team line. Reach out to us if we could help. There you have it. Have a great week, and we'll see you next week.